Alright, we are working on 33. These are just right triangle trig problems that have been put in story format. So, let's pretend that there's a building, and there's your favorite math teacher hanging out in the building, and you are standing a certain distance away from this building, and you measure that distance to be 40 feet. And then you also measure the angle created at 36 degrees. And you want to know, how tall is that building? Well, we can simplify this down to a right triangle trig problem. We can get rid of the building and just look at the triangle. And the two sides that we're dealing with are the opposite side and the adjacent side. If I write down the mnemonic, SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent are used in tangent. The tangent of our angle, 36 degrees, is equal to x over 40. And every time you set one of these up, it's either going to be a multiply problem or a switch problem. If x is on top, you just multiply by 40, and you get the x by itself. 40 tangent of 36 is 29 feet. So that building is 29 feet tall. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's say that you're flying a kite, and the kite is, well, let's say somebody is standing directly underneath the kite, and the distance between you and your friend is 300 feet. And the angle that the string creates with the ground is 70 degrees. So here is our kite, the tail blown in the wind. You want to know how long is the string. Well, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse are the cosine. The cosine of our angle, 30 degrees, is equal to 300 divided by x. Is this a multiply or a switch? Well, when the variable's in the denominator, we need to switch. So we swap those. We get x equals 300 divided by the cosine of 30. So 300 divided by the cosine of 30. And we get 346 feet. So this string here is 346 feet long. Now every problem you're going to encounter will be some rendition of this. You set up the trig ratios, it'll either be a multiply or a switch. If you need more help, feel free to email me and I'll do what I can. Good luck.